Oh, good morning, everybody. Hey, today I want to tell you why I'm not flying my drone. I bought it, I've had it almost a week, and I still haven't flown my drone. Well, a couple of other things I just want to tell you. This is the DJI MINI 2. And when you get this, it's not cheap. And I got the one that has the 3 batteries so you don't run out of batteries. But when you get it, the first thing you got to do is charge everything. So it comes with a little battery pack that you put all your batteries in and charge them at one time. You plug this in and you plug this into the outlet. It takes all day for this to charge. All day. So you can't really do anything the first day. Well, then next you have to charge your hand controller. They only send you one charger. So after the batteries get done charging, you have to plug this in and charge it. So don't get impatient when you first get it and think you're just going to jump out there and start flying, because that's not what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you things on this video that you don't see on all the other ones where the guys are just out there flying it. First, you got to take baby steps. So the next thing is you got to get familiar with your little drone and your gimbal camera. So I would suggest that you read the books, all of them, cover to cover, which in this case is not very much because they have it in several languages, so it's just a few pages. But another thing that I haven't found in any of this literature is, you know how when you first turn it on and you got to turn it 3 times, and then you got to put it this way and turn it 3 times to get it to sync with the GPS. There's nothing in any of this literature that I've seen that tells you how to do that and the lights to look for and all that. It just don't tell you that. The other thing, and this will be the last thing, which is most important, if you got this to record video with, you can't just put in your regular old micro SD class 10 card like this one right here. You know, I have several of these laying around, and I figured, hey, I've got some real good class 10 micro SD cards. I'll just plug it in. I thought I was getting good SD cards because they were class 10. You can't see it because it's so small, but there's a little U there. And inside that U, there are numbers. 1 and 3 is what I know of. It could be a 2. This drone, being it records in 4K, will not record on a U1. Forget about the class 10, because you got to have class 10 anyway. But the U has to be, inside the U has to be a 3. A 3. So then if you go flying, and you'll see on some of those videos where it has a red box up in the corner and it says not recording, it's not recording because they put a lower class SD card in their drone. So nope, I'm not going to be flying it today yet, but I'm getting everything together and I will be doing it soon. So, and it also comes with some little cables to do stuff with. But like I said, read the directions. Get you a good class 10 U3 SD card, and make sure that it's at least 32 gigs, if not 64 gigs, because 4K video takes up a lot of space. Okay, I'm going to stop there. So you guys have a great day. I can't wait to get my SD card so I can go fly. I want to go fly. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.